welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will talk about beaks and their types. Let's look at the definition of beak. Beak is a hard outer mouth part of a bird made up of keratin, material that is found in human fingernails. Birds do not have teeth, so they completely depend on their beaks for survival. But beaks help birds eat food, catch prey, and defend themselves. It means to protect. There are some types of birds' beaks. Some birds have short and hard beak. The examples of the short and hard beak birds are sparrow, pigeon, and finch. Short and hard beak of a bird is designed for cracking seeds and grains. Some birds also have hooked and sharp beak. For example, eagle, hawk, and owl. The function of hooked and sharp beak of a bird is used for tearing meat or a flesh. Friends, some birds also have long and pointed beak. Here are 9 examples of birds that have long and pointed beak. For example, kingfisher, heron, and stork. Birds that have long and pointed beak. These beaks are designed to catch fishes quickly and accurately from the water. These birds often live near rivers and wetlands. Some animals also have flat and broad beak. The examples of the birds that are having flat and broad beak are duck and flamingo. These beaks are designed to help birds filter food from water and mud. Friends, do you know what does this word lamella means? Here is a fact. Birds have common structures inside their beaks, which is called lamella. It traps food while water flows out. Friends, birds have different types of beaks based on their diet and habitat. Each beak shape is specially adapted for its survival. And I hope you learned something new in my lecture. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.